silent or were you silenced?
I'm actually dying for a poo.
I just want to make it clear to everybody there is no subject that's off limits.
You know what, oh my God.